And falls count anywhere certainly adds an element of unpredictability to this match.
The name says it all. The action of this match could spill out to anywhere in this arena.
Corey, this match gives competitors so much to consider, so much to be on the lookout for. What are some of the hazards?
Well, you never know when you're going to be blindsided or which opponent will try to jack you up next. Allies become enemies at a moment's notice.
A competitor needs every ounce of situational awareness they have if they're going to survive this.
You got to check your chin.
Yikes.
Rollins on the move! Rollins just turned the lights out. The cover!
And he's still in the game.
Just an incredible wherewithal to get the shoulder up. You would think he'd be out of it after taking that maneuver.
And guys, on most nights, Rollins would have just ended this, but not tonight.
Oh, what a punch.
And he's able to counter.
You can't do that. And Seth taking some time to, well, who knows what his thought process is at this point.
Here we go.
Inverted DDT.
Lights out. Oh, the wind just knocked right out with that. Oh, my God, what a kick. He's feeling the effects of that last hit. That'll turn your lights out.
Look at this, just unloading. And a stomp to the gut, too.
And come on now, distasteful offense we've just witnessed.
Oh, jeez, that could take you out. Set up for a second time.
Oh, taken down.
Textbook jumping clothesline. Oof.
Oh, no clue what he hopes to find down there. He's going to set him over the top rope with a big clothesline. Now what does he do? He's got the man right where he wants him, in trouble. Across the ring.
Suicide dive. Tossed caution out the window, and it paid off.
Adrenaline is through the roof now.
Oh, jumping knee strike.
Lights out.
Oh, ouch.
The target's been acquired once more.
Butterfly DDT.
That's going to keep Rollins down.
Try and end it.
And the count's broken, keeping the match alive. Oh, look at it, torture their opponent. Uh-oh, this isn't going to be good. Oh, man. Bashed straight into the post on the outside. Knew what was coming there.
This could be big. Oh, man, right to the esophagus.
And now gets tossed into the ring.
Flawless takedown. Textbook jumping clothesline. Oof.
Setting foot in the ring now.
Wind him up. Oh, and a forearm. Rollins.
Does he get it here? And he kicks out of the pin and one.
There is no quit in this man tonight. He's going back to the well. Ooh, DDT. And that took Reigns down. Cover. Kick to the gut. Cranked around into a neck breaker. Vicious right forearm.
Big counter from Reigns. Looking worse for wear in the corner now. Ouch.
What a battle we are witnessing.
For the pin and the win!
Yes! From the middle rope, hooking up their opponent.
Tornado snap suplex.
Amazing. From Reigns.
Reigns put his stamp on this one.
Pin.
Kick out at 2.
It's going to take more than that to keep Seth Rollins down. I can tell you that much.
How much more can you give, though? Was that the last drop of gas left in Seth's tank?
And after all that, Roman Reigns still hasn't ended this battle.
Swing-blade by Rollins.
Wow, picture-perfect moonsault. He'll head to the ring. Hoisted up. Oh, man, what a gut-buster.
He clearly has dangerous intentions in mind here, gentlemen.
Reigns gets out of harm's way.
Rollins with a head of steam. Big air. The stomp connects.
It is all Rollins now. Bodies have been decimated, fortitude has been tested, and these fans are showing their approval of these superstars' performances.
And Seth batters the opposition with even more offense.
Well, I'm sure Rollins is hoping he's nearing the finish line in this grueling match.
And Rollins manages to apply further offensive pressure there.
This right here is a testament to the sheer willpower of Seth Rollins.
And this match will head back to the ring. He right to the midsection. Setting them up for the Falcon Arrow. Roman Reigns, he's going to put him away. No getting up from... No coming back from Reigns after that. No telling what's underneath the ring tonight.
And it must be garbage day because out comes the can.
That hit connects from Roman Reigns.
Oh, that is going to leave a mark.
Kick to the gut. And a big right hand.
Tagging this outside. This could be good.
Look at that gash on the face of Reigns.
Avoiding contact.
Ooh, that hurt right to the kidney.
Golly.
Taken down by the neck. Elbows on the mark. Sling blade. Rollins known to be irritating. We're seeing no different now. And he tosses him back in now. Oh my gosh, what impact. A club with a right forearm. Oh man, ouch.
Here it comes. The stomp. This one is all but over. Rollins.
There's a... He may get the 3 count right here.
I think so.
Got it. No, just a 2. Thought he had him.
You gotta be kidding me.
He returns to the ring. Picture perfect takedown.
So to the stomach.
And Reigns got turned around there.
Look at this, just unloading. And a stomp to the gut, too. And attacking above the shoulders has become the strategy here.
Targeted stomp to the arm.
Sizing up their opponent.
And this has got to be it. He breaks up the pin and the match continues. The WWE Universe is showing their appreciation for the action they're seeing.
It has been an absolute war out there. These superstar efforts are not lost on this crowd.
Textbook jumping clothesline. Oof. Climbs back inside. Caught him.
that turnbuckle.
He leaves the ring, and there's no countouts in this one.
He's got a kendo stick, a weapon we've seen used to great effect time and time again.
I can't begin to imagine what he's got planned here, guys.
Maybe it's a yard sale.
Super! Here he goes for the win! And he fights it off.
I am shaking my head in disbelief over how he managed to get the shoulder off.
Oh, God. Tough position to be caught in.
Just by Reigns. Reigns got all of it. Cover!
And there's the breakup, just in the nick of time.
He takes control. Straight impact on the throat. And it's another attack above the shoulders.
Got to protect that region or the lights can go out fast.
The springboard attack. Hooks in. Up and down, brain buster.
Can Reigns recover from that?
There's two. An exhausting victory, but a win nonetheless.
Here is your winner, Jon Moxley.
Impressively withstanding the onslaught of the two other superstars to stand tall and have their arm raised here and now.
He is standing tall, standing proud, and standing victorious after that battle, gentlemen, beating one other superstar's no walk in the park.